So take me away.
Good morning, YouTube. Today is going to be an epic ride. We are going to ride with the Havoc Angels as a part of Havoc Angels. This is going to be a very first face-to-face vlog. I'm excited to go for the ride. We'll share with you every updates and the feel of going on the trip with these guys. Let's see. It's going to be epic. Meet you on the road.
Just look at that Harley right there. I mean, what else can you say? What else can you say? He's the owner. His name is Jay. And he is the founder of Havoc. He's the admin of Havoc, I can say. Bro, say hi, bro. Hi. So excited, guys. I don't know how to. So excited. This is my setup. I know it's shit, but still. Dude, we should move our bikes over there. I'm going for some chai and refreshments, and I will see you guys after the chai.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Cold, these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Ride or die, ride or die.
And just look at the lineup right here. We have, which is this? Lowrider, Harley Davidson Lowrider. Bro, Melvin, Solomon, bro, and that's his Insta on the Z800. Hi, that's Ajim Shah with, and this is the Z650 Flip Boy, the infamous Grimlock, the legendary, part it. Just hear the music on this one. Woo! Look at the clarity of that. What else do you need? Star of the show, Truckzilla, the new Z800, right? Look at that. Hi, parent Ijas. Hi, Arjuna, Rahul. All right. All right, we are leaving hotel. We just had our breakfast, tea, and we are leaving to, bro, straight to Vagamon alle. Straight Vagamon alle. Stop on fuel. Yeah, we'll be stopping for fuel. Dude, listen to the sound of that. Oh my god. All right. Line up. All set. Ready to go. Nope. Nothing happened. Look at that lineup. Alright, I have to stand here. Okay, let's go. We are leaving. We'll be stopping for fuel on the way. Oh guys, the feel is something else. Welcome to Havoc Angels. Trekzilla. So beautiful. Guys, always slow and steady wins the race. Just letting you guys know, please be careful while riding. I cannot stress this enough. Enjoy, ride slow, and reach your destination and enjoy again. That's how we roll. You're not gonna get anything going fast, trust me. This is what enjoyment is, not the speed. Yeah, when the roads are clear, when there's no traffic, you can do it. You can speed, but never speed without a need, you know. Oh, that was rhyming. That was rhyming. I should start rapping now. Running. How far from here? Not so sure. Wow. Look. Hope I don't fall. I really hope I don't fall. Okay. Oh, I really hope. Oh God. Okay. This is not good. Okay. Now we are good. Oh my God. That got me there for a second. I really thought I would fall, but I did not. We are 50 or so kilometers away from destination. Woods. Oh my God. Okay, slow. We are going slow. Oh, slow. Oh my God, you can easily skid here. Shit, I'm skidding. Okay, I'm good. Oh, the cornering. Look at that, guys. Holy shit. Wow. Reaction. god, look at the amount of Guys, we are done with the ride and we reached our destination. Look at our room.
Hot ass room, guys.
Yep.
Look at the view.
See, look at him.
The legendary
Look at the view.
Throttle Joker. The legendary Z800. Look at the view. The view. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, the view. This is our view. And that's poolside. I don't know what to say. That is our ride coordinator. And we are back. I think we are officially showing our faces for the first time, right?
Yeah. Guys, this is Truckzilla.
This is Anton. Ella frame lo kere nikkum front le.
No.
This is Harley Kid, right? Mr. Kid, and this is
Melvin, the Black Knight.
the Black Knight Rider. Yammo! Vishயம். So yeah, we are here and in some time we will go in. Hopefully everything goes well. Official admins of Trucklog Vlogs.
Trucklog Vlogs, guys.
Look at the view.
Once in a lifetime experience.
Look at that view. What else to say?
It's surprising that our first vlog turned out to be in such an epic destination. It's beautiful. Look, just the outside view of our room.
You can see it.
Pretty swag.
Look at that.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
Unfortunately, all things come to an end, so we are leaving. We are going back. And yeah, yes, we are vlogging. I will miss all you guys. I will miss everyone. But we will meet again, right? Yeah, so we have to. We are leaving. Bro, number we are in Ermeli and എത്ര കിലോമീറ്റർ ഉണ്ട് ബ്രോ കൊല്ലത്തോട്ട്? Okay, we are some kilometers away. So what else to say? Okay, he's also a fellow YouTuber.
Yeah, I'm a Tamil YouTuber. So just mail the TRK502x
Vlogs.
Yes. Yeah, please subscribe. Yeah, subscribe.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to us. Support us and share us your feedback. We will respond. You are our priority. Adios, bye-bye.